right, so here's a tour of Mark and Kathy's room, 11201, which is a forward-facing extended balcony room. And here we go. So here's their room location, which is right here in the very bow of the ship. Here's your closets. Again, your closets have these shelves that come down, and you can make shelves out of those, or you can just leave it there for your hanging closet. And then you have little palms, and now your thermostat. If you get warm in your room, just hit that right there. I don't think we're going to be warm since it's cold. Here's your restroom. Pretty standard. Love the glass doors, especially the way these open. They pivot in the center, and so they don't open up into the bathroom itself. All right, so here's your bed. You got your lamps with one USB port on each side. You just pull them up like so, push them down, and they shut off. You got a pretty big screen TV, 50-inch. And then you got your counter. Now you'll see when we do our tour of 15351, pretty much laid out identical. The bed is closer to the door. There's their water. Plenty of USB ports with 3 110s. You have your mini fridge underneath, your drawers, and your hair dryer. And now you notice on this balcony, they have a push open door. It's a little more sturdy than the sliders that we will have in our room. And then they have the nice extended balcony. And this is the only downfall, is you can't sit here and really look out. You have to kind of stand up, and then you get a nice view of the crew. All right, Port Canaveral. And like I said, you have this glass, just keeps the wind from hitting the door and shoving it in on you. And then your overall of the room. Pretty nice. All right, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you on the next one.